Hi everyone. Today is Wednesday and I am not April fooling you. It's April 1st. And you need to watch this video first because I really need to first express to you all. Starting today, all of the lessons are now new content, which means that it is so important that you make sure that number one, you have done the 2 assignments from this week so far, because they are review lessons that are going to help set you up for success to be able to do today's lesson, which is 2-step equations. Now, that being said, you absolutely must join and do the Edpuzzle video lessons. They are going to give you the practice that you need in order to understand the content that you're going to be learning from here on out. If you haven't yet, I've been posting the links every single day. Again, first step, first assignment, join my Edpuzzle website class and then go through the lesson practice before beginning the assignment. You use, I believe, your Google account login, and that will help you so that then you can join my class. This is all of you who are in my class so far, which is a big improvement compared to how we started out Monday. But I will tell you, many of you still are not actually going through the lessons yet, and that is definitely not a good thing because then you're not being able to really practice before you do the assignment. So let's take a look at what this looks like if you were to actually go through the lesson. So you will see yours should look something like mine, where you'll see at the bottom all these little grayish dots that look like little guitar picks, as well as it says to do up here, and then there are different multiple choice questions. I will tell you, I've tried to make every single question just a multiple choice question, but again, you should be actually using this as if these are your notes that we are giving you in class. So right now, I highly suggest to you guys to get out a couple things. If you brought your math workbook home with you, you can work in your math workbook as well, but I would definitely recommend you have some blank scratch paper as well, whether you brought your binder home or you just have, a notebook or extra paper and a pencil, and do the work as I'm doing it with you. That way you have notes that you have taken so that you can then have some success with your assignment on your Google form. So the first part of this video, I'm actually going to be giving you a model of using algebra tiles.
It is Wednesday.
So
Here
when you go through
have
this,
10
you're going to see
plus
this
another
first
2.
part.
So 4x equals 10 plus 2.
Doesn't actually have any questions. So for the first 5 or so minutes, you don't have any questions. But then I'm going to go into the lesson and I'm going to show you what it looks like as I continue so you get an idea of what I expect.
To solve two-step equations. If you need to pause right now and get some blank paper to take some notes and show the work, do that now as I go through the actual directions. One thing that's really important that you have to remember to solve a two-step equation, the first step is you need to undo the addition or subtraction first. So if you're adding in the problem, then you have to subtract both sides by the whole number. If you're subtracting, then you need to add the whole number to both sides.
All right, so what is the opposite of addition? So you're going to see on your right-hand side the questions. You can rewatch, but I'm going to tell you right now you can't skip, just so you know. But the opposite of addition is going to be subtraction. So you click it, and then you hit submit so that I can see what you've been doing so far. I'm pretty sure it's going to tell you
Then
you
step
can't skip,
2,
just so you know.
undo the multiplication or division.
Then it's going to ask you what's the opposite of division. So that's multiplication. Again, you're going to hit submit, and it'll keep going. Look at that. I'm rocking it. And then hit continue.
This is where you're dividing by the number that is connected to the variable. And I'm going to show you that in the first example.
And guys, as you're watching me right
I
now,
think
this
I
is
can
kind
do
of
it
weird.
like
I feel very
this.
funny watching a video and
Hey,
then
there we
making a
go.
video.
All right, awesome.
But you'll see
So
that I
let's go
have
on
2
to the
correct
first
so
one.
far in green.
Solve 2x plus 3 equals 9, and then check your solution.
All right, so another question on the side. What should you do first? Divide both sides by 2 or subtract both sides by 3? So the actual equation is 2x plus 3 equals 9. And if our rules tell us that we need to undo addition first, then we need to subtract both sides by 3. So I'm going to hit submit. I am correct, and then I'm going to continue. So guys, I'm just a little bit of help so that you can get started with this. But this is why it's so important that you do these Edpuzzle videos first. I cannot do a video chat every single day. I don't think that's going to be as helpful either because I'm basically going to do the same exact thing just through a video chat and show my screen. So this is the same thing as if I was doing a video chat with you of my screen. So that's why you need to at least try to do a little bit of this by yourself first. And then that way, when we meet tomorrow in our video chat with you guys, or not tomorrow, well, yeah, tomorrow, sorry. When we meet with you guys in a video chat on Thursday, we can talk about some of the strengths and weaknesses that you guys have as you're doing this self-directed type of learning. Treat it as if I'm up at the board and you need to give me answers. Treat it as if you were using this lesson so that then you can take it and do your own independent practice. So you'll see that this is the assignment. Um, Again, this is what you should be working on today to get your grade. So make sure that you're paying attention to all the directions. Again, I would definitely write your work on a separate sheet of paper. That way, at least then you easily can just type it right into the Google form and submit it. All right, everybody, good luck today. We will still be on GoGuardian to help you. So I know our office hours is usually the second block, so it's around 9:45-ish. So I'll be on at that time also to answer your questions as you go through this. Again, don't fight me on this. Do the Edpuzzle first. By tomorrow, I should see every single one of you as my students as a list here. So far, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of you. I need about 6 or 7 more of you to do this. All right. Good luck today, and we will see you soon on here and on GoGuardian. Bye, guys.